Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Witr prayer. It is narrated by Ibn Abbas that he spent a night at Prophet's home. At last part of the night, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed 3 rakat. In the first rakat, he recited Surah Al-Ala. In second rakat, he recited Surah Al-Kafirun, and in third rakat, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited Surah Al-Ikhlas. Musnad Ahmad 2208, Darmi 1627, Tabrani 682. It is narrated by Hadrat Ali. He said that the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to perform Witr prayer in 3 rakat. Musnad Ahmad 2207, Tabrani 311. It is narrated by Mother of Believers Hadrat Aisha Siddiqa that the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to perform Witr prayer in 3 rakat with 2 salams. He ﷺ said salams between second rakah and Witr prayer. Musnad Ahmad 2217, Tabrani 1499. Narrated by Mother of Believers Hadrat Aisha Siddiqa that the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to offer Witr prayer in the beginning, mid, and up to the last hour of the night. Bukhari 996, Musnad Ahmad 2181. It is narrated by Ibn Abi Qas that he asked Mother of Believers Hadrat Aisha Siddiqa, how did the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to recite in Witr prayer? She replied, he ﷺ used to recite sometime loudly and sometime calmly. Sublul Huda. It is narrated by Ubay ibn Ka'b that Allah's Messenger ﷺ used to pray in Witr this prayer. Rabbi ahdini fiman hadaita wa afini fiman afita wa tawallani fiman tawallaita wa barik li fima a'taita wa kini sharra ma kazaita fa innaka takzi wa la yukza alayka wa innahu la yazilu man walayta tabarakta rabbana wa ta'alayta. And he ﷺ would recite Qunut before bowing. Majah 1182. It is narrated by Abdurrahman Abzi when Holy Prophet ﷺ used to establish Witr prayer. He ﷺ recited Subhanal Malikul Quddus 3 times, and third time he ﷺ recited it loudly. Musnad Ahmad 2220. Narrated by Hadrat Ali that the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to supplicate this prayer in Witr prayer. Allahumma inni a'uzubika birazaka min sakhtika wa a'uzubika bimu'afatika min uqubatika wa a'uzubika minka la uhsiya sana'a alayka anta kama asnaita ala nafsika. Tirmidhi 3566.